Can you feel it? There's a rushing wind at our back, and we're rushing in. Don't even know.
I'd like to welcome everybody here and thank each and every one of you for being here at this evening on this very special day.
Can you hear it? There's a steady sound getting louder as our feet touch.
James, in the midst of a pandemic, I had no idea that the boy I met online would end up being my husband, but here we are.
We found.
Deanna, from the second I met you, I knew I found the most beautiful woman, and you would be my rock, my best friend, and my forever. Thank you for swiping right on Nova and I.
And enjoy the ride.
In this life, I dreamt of finding a person to call home, to never be judged, to never worry about tomorrow, to be still and to be present.
Enjoy the ride.
You've taught me so much over these last 4 years. You showed me what unconditional love is, how to love myself, and to always be kind.
Over these last 4 years, we have accomplished and overcome so much together. We've grown so much, both as individuals and together. Through it all, you've been my rock and my safe space.
You've grown flowers in the darkest parts of me. Every moment and memory that we've shared or created together has been the best times of my life.
Looking at you right now, in front of the most important people in our lives, I know this is a big moment and one we'll remember forever. But the truth is, they all feel like big moments with you.
Today, I vow to be the best husband, dog dad, and if we are fortunate enough one day, to be the best father to our children.
Can you feel it? The rushing wind.
Weekend grocery trips, going on a ride on a cool summer night, or walking the dogs after a long day at work. I cherish every detail with you.
Can you see it? The distant shore.
I vow to teach them how to be loving, caring, patient, and compassionate like you. I vow to always protect you and keep you safe. I vow to never stop using cheesy pickup lines that make you smile, laugh, or your eyes roll.
Often we hear people say things on their wedding day like, I can't believe we are here right now. But looking at you, I feel the complete opposite. Becoming your wife feels more right than anything ever has.
I vow to always be there for you no matter how difficult life gets, and to be your partner through it all. I vow to communicate with you openly and honestly.
I love your commitment to me and our girls, your ability to make me laugh or smile wherever and whenever, and your desire to do anything in order to make my days that much easier.
Like no other. Yeah, I could stay here with you for forever.
I vow to always watch your favorite Disney movies with you and go to Disney World as much as we can. Lastly, I vow to be your best friend, confidant, and your forever.
So instead of writing a new list of commitments, today I vowed to continue being your partner, your friend, your confidant, your teammate, and your secret keeper. Just with a new title, and I am so excited to become your wife. I can't wait to see where the next 60 years takes us. I love you.
Now I want to share a quote from one of my favorite people, Harry Styles. He said, "Don't choose the one who is beautiful to the world, but rather choose the one who makes your world beautiful." That's exactly what I did. I love you so much, forever and always, even beyond my final breath.
James, let's do the thing. You may now kiss the bride.
Caring, kind, loyal friend, and we all gave him crap for checking on me. Little did he know that I appreciated every phone call, every text, every FaceTime, regardless of how difficult it was to connect with his phone.
Let's go, put on your shoes. It's a new day to enjoy all the wonder.
Now to my sister, my beautiful sister. You're my role model, my best friend, and my confidant. James has made my sister the happiest I've ever seen her. And for that, James, I thank you so much because that woman deserves the world, and you give her that.
Deanna, since the first time James spoke about you to me and the guys, for the first introduction at the Woodbury senior year, I could tell James was right about his good feeling a couple years before.
To the bride and groom, may your love continue to grow and may you take many Disney trips as husband and wife. I love you guys. Cheers.
I wish you all nothing but happiness, wealth, and health for many years to come. Everyone give it a round of applause to the marriage couple. Let's go!